In this Unity point of sales tutorial, we'll walk through the process of completing a line discount to a bill. Let's get started. First, log into the Unity point of sales system by entering your employee code or scanning your fingerprint. Once logged in, you'll be asked to select your role. Choose the appropriate role for your task. Next, the pickup order screen will appear. Select New Order or an existing order to proceed to the table or bill. Once your order is updated with the customer's choices, you may decide the type of line discount to give to the customer based on the given situation. A line discount can be granted on percentage or value. Let us show you a percentage discount first. To apply a percentage discount to a sales item, select the item on the sales order screen that you wish to discount. Press the discount option. From here, choose the percentage discount option. Use the number pad on the screen to enter the discount percentage you want to apply. For example, if it's a 10% discount, enter 1 and 0. Once entered, the system will automatically apply the discount to the selected product, reducing the total by the specified percentage. The next example demonstrates applying a value discount. Again, select the item you wish to discount from the sales order screen. Press the discount option. This time, choose the value discount option. Enter the amount you want to discount directly using the number pad. For instance, if you want to discount 50 Rand, enter 5 and 0. The system will then reduce the item's price by the specific amount, and the discounted total will reflect in the invoice. Once the percentage or value discount is applied, you can proceed with completing the order or moving to the payment screen as usual. The discount will be clearly displayed on the invoice, ensuring that both you and the customer can see the adjusted price. And that's it for this tutorial.